welcome you again and pass back to Master DC.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, Kevin is working behind me.
Who come in here with us? How did I fit in this?
We'll go without the mic until it's up and ready. But thank you very much, Brother Warren McDonald. Just to note also that we had the Glenland Lodge had the distinguished honor of having a past district grandmaster from the Bahamas, Brother Charles Johnson, who gave this year's Whitson McDonald lecture, which was about the formation of a Grand Lodge, and he did discuss both the pros and the cons, and gave examples of this. Tonight, this evening, we have, and it is my distinct pleasure, honor, and privilege to introduce what I would call one of our own. He is an honorary member of the Glenlyon Lodge and visits more than some of the other members. He is like a true past master, and when I first joined Lodge, you always looked in the east and there would be some grumpy old man giving instructions and correcting the work of others. Well, this brother is not grumpy, right? And he certainly is not old, but he does give instructions, and we follow them. And so I am delighted tonight to give him an instruction that he, as moderator, happy to introduce Brother R. Trevor St. George Christian, our past, and he's certainly very well qualified to be the moderator, having been a past for several years, and of course in the chapters, and an honorary Grand Almoner of the Grand Lodge of Scotland. Without further ado, please welcome our moderator, Brother Trevor.
Thank you very much for that introduction. Fellow Freemasons. When I say Freemasons, not just Masons. Freemasons. My job as moderator is a simple one. And the first task is to introduce our panelists. They are Brother Lloyd Moore, Justice of the Peace and a past pastor, Lord St. John, past district grandmaster, a senior Grand Warden. To my left, to my extreme right, I have Brother Ivor Crandon, past master to Lord St. John, Commander,
Line in.
past substitute district grandmaster, and honorary Grand Architect, the Grand Lord of Scotland. And then go to an everyday professor. I can speak properly about that one. He knows how to cut with the left hand. Brother Mark Bennett is not here. I have to my immediate right, Brother very welcome, Peter Clark, 32nd degree Mason, and a past master of Lord Brampton Miller. The incubator is Brother Clive Leopold Nesbeth. Last master, Lord Wilmers, an almoner of that lodge, and very efficient almoner too. Oh yes. Past Assistant District Grand Director of Ceremonies. Let us welcome. Oh, Brother Kirk Miller. You can't hear me? That's strange. I don't need a mic.
It's for everybody else.
Brother Kirk Miller, another panelist from the Irish, provincial deputy Grand Master. In so many things in the Irish, when he salutes in certain ways, he gives their left hand. They do everything differently, the Irish. But we're so happy to have him too. Let us have a hand for very worshipful Kirk Miller. That concludes the introduction of the participants and their weight. Robert Mark might have to you know, he might have just had to go into operation for some broken bones. That's the nature of his profession.
Yes, apologize for being late. He's on his way.
Yes, man, anytime he's on his way, there's an accident and he has to patch somebody up. Oh yes.